In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the phrase shipping calculated at checkout from your Shopify store in just a few minutes. If you want to create a clearer, more user-friendly checkout experience, this is one quick change that can really make a difference. First, log into your Shopify admin panel from your dashboard, go to Online Store in the left-hand menu, and then click on Themes. Now find your current active theme. Next to it, you'll see a small menu icon that looks like 3 dots. Click on it and select Edit Default Theme Content. This will take you to the language editor where you can adjust or remove built-in text that appears across your store. In the search bar, type shipping calculated at checkout. This will quickly pull up the exact phrase. From here, you have 2 options. You can delete the text entirely so nothing appears under your product prices, or you can replace it with something more customer-friendly. For example, if you offer free shipping, you might change it to say, free shipping on all orders. Once you've made your edits, click Save in the top right corner. This ensures your changes are applied to your live store. And that's it. You've successfully removed or customized the shipping calculated at checkout text in Shopify. It's a small tweak, but it goes a long way toward building trust and clarity with your customers. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out my other Shopify guides for more quick tips.